Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin, and today we're looking at a Honda CD200. Now this is sold as seen a restoration project for someone out there. What we have with it, we don't have Irish book or anything like that, but we do have an English tax disc with the registration number. That everything after that is up to you, what you want to do with it. It's just sold as seen. I'll run around the bike and point out things. You know, tires are actually look like they're fairly new. Looks like someone started that. We have no caliper here on the front disc. We have some this is for the actual brake light system here. Would you believe? You can see going into the brake, so nothing too major, even though it looks fairly scary. Front headlamps there. Tank all original, obviously original color, no paint. And then you can see the CB200E on the engine, made in Japan, everything like that. We're missing a left hand side peg here. It looks like the frame is actually in really nice nick overall. You can see that actually I think could have been painted at some stage, it looks like. Exhausts are pretty good as well, they clean up nice enough. Original seat, side panniers, or side panels I should say. At the rear then, chain, sprocket, everything like that present. New tire at the rear, drum brake at the rear also. Right hand side exhaust, nice condition as well. Nice little bit of rusting, but again this is fairly surface. I mean, you're never going to get it back absolutely brand new, but if you want to do a light restoration of something, it could be a nice little option for small money. Up over top, stating 14,870 miles on the clock. Everything in here, a little bit of seeping there, you can see, again sold exactly as seen. We have the bike up and running, so we have a video of the bike running, so we'll include that in this video. But that's been it, the CD200 sold as seen project for someone out there. Thanks for watching.